What's good, YouTube family? Today we are talking about how I edit my TikToks and Reels. Obviously, this is a vertical video, so you definitely want to watch it from your phone. The video I'm going to show you how to make today has about 1 million views right now on TikTok. I think on Reels it's like 300,000, and I'm going to show you exactly how I did it from start to finish. First things first is find a video or a trend we want to try out. And here in my favorites, I have this one. You want to hold your finger down on that video, save that bad boy, and over in your photos, you should now have this video saved, and then also 2 shots imitating the video. So I have my pajama shot, dropping my phone down, and then I have the outfit change, also dropping my phone down. So now we go over to INSHOT. I'll zoom in so you can see the logo. If you don't have that app, definitely get it. Video, new. Then I'll take the first clip, second clip, put it in here. And now you got to trim it to the right part, right? So for me, I'll go here. And I want it to be right when the drop happens, like right about there probably. And then right when it hits the pillow, before it starts going crazy, like right about there is where I want to stop it. So, and the cool thing about InShot, down here on your timeline, you can just zoom in, and now you can get more granular on the frames, and that's right where I want to do it. Cool. And then the other one, this one, right, you want to go reverse of what you did before. So I'm gonna zoom back out here on the track. All I'm doing is pinching my phone here so I can zoom in and out and kind of get more of a bird's eye view and move a little bit faster. So now I want this one to go reverse. So you tap the clip, go on over, hit the reverse button. And now, as you see, it's going the opposite direction as I go forward in the video. So now I gotta come over, and I wanna get it right when it hits that pillow for it to come up. So now what it looks like when I press play is going down, boom, coming up. So now we gotta make sure all the clips are quiet, because I'm gonna take this, tap it, go to volume, turn the volume all the way down. When you hit this little double check here on the left, it actually applies to everything. Now all the clips are silent. So now I gotta add the same music from that video. And that's also a really cool thing about InShot. You go over here, music, tracks, and you can extract from video. You hit that, and then you take the same video you just saved and take the music from that video. So then you play it and hear how it sounds. So now you see it's a little bit off, so I'm gonna zoom out, take the track, make sure I line it up perfectly with my video, and here's the final video. Well, that's all I got for y'all on this one. Make sure you drop all your questions about TikTok down below. If you want to know anything specific, I got you on part 2. Thank you so much for your time, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.